Has buyer confidence returned? Let's take a look at 6 metrics that are indicating yes. So the first is there's a 25% increase in mortgage applications a few weeks ago, an additional 7% last week. Now, this is an increase from what it previously was. We're still not at 2022 levels. However, a 30+% increase is a big trend upwards. Mortgage rates continue to be at a 4-month low. We are seeing an increase in buyer interest from open houses, inquiries, etc., showing requests. In the last quarter, 42% of sellers were offering some type of concession. Now, this just goes to show, are people motivated? Are the sellers motivated? Versus not a lot of people offering that before. Home builder sentiment. This is the sentiment, how positive home builders feel about what's happening in the market right now. That increased for the first time in a year. That's major. When homes are not being built, we are exacerbating the issue of an undersupply of inventory. It doesn't matter what market you're in, you're pretty much experiencing something similar, national all the way down to local. Pending closings were down 30+% in the fall. That's crazy. That's a huge, significant amount of people who are just not buying properties and selling them in return. However, we have seen that a lot of that pent-up demand is coming back to play now, coming back, searching in this market and being active. So all of these signs, in our opinion, in our professional opinions, point to buyer confidence having returned to the market. Now, if you're a seller and you've been sitting on the sideline, now is the time to really ask yourself, do I need to be making plans right now for bringing my property to market? As a buyer, do you have all of your cards in a row? Because it may be competitive in the next 1 to 3 months as you go out there and join all of the other buyers who have come back out there. So, are there any properties that have been sitting right now that maybe you want to make an offer on? Potentially. Anyways, these are the 6 major reasons why we feel that buyer confidence has returned to the market, and we are going to see quite a bit of activity this coming spring. We're almost into the spring market. Boston is always a little bit slow, in that January, December time. However, we're seeing things pick back up, which is a positive trend.